how to fix Uber app payment error. So if you want to fix your Uber app payment error, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Play Store. And after opening your Play Store, you need to go with search. And under search, you need to search for Uber. Now, once you've searched for Uber, if you have an update on your Uber application, you just need to simply go and update it. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is open up your settings. Under settings, you need to just scroll down and then go with the apps section. Once you're under apps, you need to go with manage apps, and under manage apps, you need to search for Uber. Or you can also just simply scroll down and then find the Uber application. Once you find it, tap on it, and once you tap on the Uber, you'll have all of these options. So you just need to simply go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then go with clear cache. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then just simply go and restart your device and relaunch your Uber, and it will fix your Uber app payment error. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.